Good morning everybody, it's great to have you back. Chris here, the blind wood turner, sporting a nice new t-shirt. So basically I'll cut straight to the chase. What the video is going to be about today, it's well, firstly it's about me doing normal recording instead of live streaming, and I'm going to keep it short and sweet, but it's something that I've happened across whilst turning, and it's just a little idea I want to share with you guys. So basically when I'm turning, I've been using a paste wax blend to help get rid of tear out using a scraper or the fine finishing tool. So I'd run out and I needed some, so I came up with an idea. So what I'm going to do now is go over to the lathe and share this little tip that I was pondering, and then I thought, I'll try this. I've tried it and it works. So let's get to the lathe and I'll show you what I've been messing around with. Okay everybody, I'm here at the lathe now, and what I've got here is a piece of wengi or wengi that I started at the Nuneaton demonstration on Saturday. I completed 2 pieces, started on this third one. It's going to be a little bowl, but run out of time and had to pack up. But anyway, what I want to demonstrate is it's got some tear out here. So what I'm going to show you now is, if I just, ooh, it's all freestyle, ooh. So what I've got here is petroleum jelly, and as you all know, there's always room for jelly, or jello as they say over the pond. So what I'm going to do is show you that I use petroleum jelly in lieu of the beeswax and lemon oil paste, and it works really well. So I'll show you that in a second, so hold on. Right guys, so here's the petroleum jelly, and I've just got this brush here. So basically you just get your brush loaded up, but just wipe off some excess, and I'll just feel where I need to be. So I'm going to apply it to the surface and get it well worked in. Bit of background noise from the fan. It's still a bit chilly in here, so I've not got my turning smock on yet, which I'll put on in a second. So there you go, that's well worked in. So I'll keep that handy because we can apply some more. So be back in a second. Just let me put my smock on. Okay folks, back at the lathe here now. So I've got my finishing tool, so I'm just going to feel for my starting position. So the tear out is roughly on this radius here as we head towards the bottom of the bowl. So basically the lathe's spinning quite fast. We're just taking light cuts. And because there's paste on that, you can just have a piece of tissue at hand. Now that is already significantly better. Slight cuts. Keep wiping the tool, and I just keep feeling. And you can just keep reapplying the jelly, the paste, until you've got rid of that tear out. But it makes it a lot easier to get rid of stubborn tear out. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So it's simple, it's effective, so it's handy to have a pot of petroleum jelly with you to nourish and moisturise the end grain and the tear out. And then using your scraper, it can make things a lot easier. I do it because I can't see, I can feel it but I can't see it, so it makes it a lot easier for me, and that's take my word for it. There's been a huge improvement there already. So that's it, short and sweet. Back to recording with a camcorder, which is, yeah, it feels pretty fine really. So thank you so very much. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So that's me, guys. I'll be back soon with a full project video. Kept it short and sweet. So bye folks, bye.